This is the big snowstorm of 2010. 26 inches on the ground. The big snowstorm of 2010. Welcome to the winter wonderland. The snow is still falling. Soon we will all be buried. Our little dog is holding up very well. She's no fool. She knows it's time to get inside.
I have 2 pairs of pajamas in her.
Oh, okay. So, gotta try to dig a path out. Sadine's doing pretty good, although she's wrecking my progress.
She's a good snow dog.
Good job, Sadine. Good job. Look at her. Oh, she made it. She's gonna freeze. Yeah, you better come back down. Ooh.
Get to work, woman.
All right.
Shovel my walkway.
Can you get the other shovel for Corey? It's gonna help for a little bit.
What other shovel?
The one in the back. The little plastic
Oh,
one.
where's your guy's shovel?
My dad's using it.
Yeah.
Hi, baby. Here it comes. Sweetie, you better turn around. You're gonna get stuck. Come on, Sissy. This is too cold for you. Come on, let's go back home. Come on, good girl.